Hi guys, I'm here to share with you my nighttime skincare routine. I start off with M61 Power Cleanse. It's a pore purifying glycolic face cleanser. It has tea tree and vitamin B5. I have oily skin, so I need to take extra care of my skin. I rinse it off with warm water. This particular glycolic face cleanser is not drying at all. So I pat my skin semi-dry because I still need some moisture to use Mario Badescu's Botanical Exfoliant Scrub. It really helps with to keep my skin radiant and smoother, keeps the oils out of my pores, and it helps my pores to appear smaller. Next, I've been having like some discolorations, so from stress. So I'm using SkinCare's discoloration defense. After that, I apply my night oil. I don't use serums because they do absolutely nothing